Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on different types of numbers. Whole numbers or counting numbers. This group consists of the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Let's look at some basic questions associated with these types of numbers. Question 1. Why is 0 a counting number? The solution. 0 is a counting number because it tells us how many elements are contained in the empty set. For example, if you have these brackets here and you try and count the number of objects, for example, in this set. Now let's look at a specific example. If we count the number of apples contained in the above two brackets, the answer is 0. And that's why 0 is a counting number. How many apples are in the following set? Solution. There are 3 apples. Hence, 3 is a counting number. It is also a whole number. How many counting numbers exist? The solution. The number of counting numbers is infinite. In simple terms, they go on forever. So we cannot count how many of these numbers exist because they go on forever. Integers. Integers are whole numbers, including the negative numbers. Now, a very good visual way of seeing this, a visual way, is just by using this diagram. So we have the positive integers on this side, the negative integers on this side, and of course you have 0 in the middle. And remember, they are whole numbers, not fractions. First question. What integer is 4 greater than 2? Now to solve this, the answer is 4 places to the right of 2. So when you talk about greater with respect to integers, it means you're going to the right. That's why we go 4 places to the right of 2. So the answer is 6. Because if we start at 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, the answer is 6. Question 2. What integer is 7 less than 3? When you look at the word less, you're going in that direction, to the left. The answer is 7 places to the left of 3. So the answer is -4. So there's 3. So let's go 7 places to the left of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is -4. What integer is 3 less than -2? Because we have the word less, we go to the left. The solution? The answer is 3 places to the left of -2. So if there's -2 here, so we go 1, 2, 3, and the answer is -5. Even numbers. The even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Question 1. What even number is after 12? To find the next even number, just add 2. So 12 plus 2 equals 14. The word after means that the answer we want is bigger. Okay? We go in that direction when it says after. What even number is before 18? So we're using before, so basically we're looking at the number that's less than 18 and it has to be even. So to find the answer, just subtract 2. 18 take away 2 is 16. So you can see the difference between each of the even numbers is 2. That is very, very important to remember. With respect to odd numbers, they are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. What odd number is after 15? To find the next odd number, just add 2. So 15 plus 2 is 17. What odd number is before 23? To find the answer, just subtract 2. So 23 take away 2 equals 21. So this video has introduced us to a few different types of numbers and we've done some basic problems or questions associated with these types of numbers.